I just want to revive my channel and give you guys a glimpse of my life here in Australia. Hi guys! So sorry, medyo magalaw. Ayan. So anyways, nagre-ready na ako for work. I'm going in like a bit. So, i-revive natin yung channel natin. So, it's already 10:17. 11 yung pasok ko. And it's a bit magulo. Magulo. Medyo, baka mag-busy kami mamaya. So, I work in the kitchen. And yeah, I just want to revive my channel and give you guys a glimpse of my life here in Australia. Maybe one day I'll share with you guys. Kung merong interested, diba, at may manunod ng mga vlogs ko. So maybe I'll share like my journey here. So I literally work. I work on an island. And bababa lang ako. Tapos, ayun na. Yun na yung kitchen. So, yeah. Kaya minsan, like especially in the morning, when I have work in the morning, I just wake up 30 minutes before. But like right now it's pretty late. I usually work like at 5 a.m. sometimes 4 a.m. And so ayun, kaya ngayon mayroon akong time para mag-ready. Diba? Medyo napataas yung ano natin. Hindi talaga pantay yung kilay ko, guys. Kumusta naman kayo, guys? Nahiya kasi ako mga ganyan, mga vlog, ganun. I do have camera. I bought camera before. And, yeah. I forgot to put, well, I put technically not sunscreen. I use this, sun serum. It has SPF 50, so okay lang din. But I forgot. Wait. Let's spray this, Naked Sundays mist. It has SPF. So, para lang madagdagan yung ano ko. Kasi I forgot. Oh my gosh. Wait. Don't forget the neck. If you guys are gonna spray. So, patuyuin natin. I wanna put mascara. Ay, lobat na siya. Palobat na siya, guys. Yeah, lobat na. Lobat na siya. Anyways, ayan. Yun lang, yung itsura ko. My lips are a bit dry. So, ayun. Medyo dry siya. Kaya, not gonna put... Ay, actually, mamaya na pala. Magtututbrush pa ako, no? Ang galing ko talaga, diba? Anyways. How are you guys? Kung may manunod man ito, kumusta kayo? How's life? How's life treating you? Life is a bit, sorry, magulo. Life is a bit crazy. For me. So, you guys are wondering, may gumagana na electric fan, tapos on yung camera ko. Ay, camera, yung aircon ko. That's heater on. And I can't just have heater on kasi pagpapawisan ako. Pawisin talaga tayo. So, ayun. Anyways, maglagay tayo ng onting mascara. I did lash lift on myself like a few months na. I'm trying to keep my lashes healthy again. So nang natin siya. Pahingahin. But yeah. Medyo pangit siya ngayon. Gulo-gulo ang ating lashes. But I like brushing my lashes. I used to get lash extensions, but nalalagas yung hair. Nalalagas siya. Tsaka, it looks ugly. pagka nalagis na, 'di ba? Pag kulang-kulang na siya. So yeah. Ayun. I just use this Heroin Make mascara. So what kind of videos should I make? I'm planning, like, I have like some plans on what videos I should share with you guys. Do you like hauls? At the moment, I can't share anything. Like, I would love to share my journey, how I came here to Australia. So you guys, well, you probably don't know, but I've been here for 7 years, almost 7 years now this year. And yeah, been here for 7 years this year, and a lot has happened in my life, and there are moments where I felt like going back to the Philippines for good, but like the people around me are like, just stay here, there are moments where, or there are times where there's, I'm in a certain situation, and yeah, sometimes you're going through something and you just feel like giving up, but then nandito pa din naman ako right now. So maybe dito talaga ako dinala ni Lord for a reason, and every time I pray, that's what I say, like, there is probably a good reason why God has brought me to where I am now. And kasi maraming situation na dumating sa buhay ko na pwede na ako umuwi ng Pilipinas, like ganun, yung parang pag-give up ka na talaga, because ang hirap during COVID and all that, but I managed to still be here without the help of my family. Financially, syempre hindi naman natin kaya financially, and I'm so blessed in that part kasi ang daming tao na sobrang nahirapan during COVID nung nandito sila sa Australia. A lot of people went home, and ako nandito. So yeah, I'm very grateful for all of my family who helped me financially, and hopefully one day I'll be able to return the favor to them. And yeah, sana ma-return ko lahat ng tulong na bigay nila sa akin. And ayun. You guys want to see all my makeup? Ang dami kong makeup. Sobrang dami. And I was in red lips era during like the start of the year, because I went to see Taylor Swift in Melbourne, and yeah, meron akong red lips. I just got it. I mean, not got it recently, but like, I've been buying a lot of makeups, but I have to tipid na. Ito na yung uniform ko. Naka-uniform na tayo. Pasok na tayo sa work. And a bit, magtututbrush pa ako, and pabango tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pabango ko. Usually, ito yung ginagamit ko. This Ariana Grande. Kailangan ko na bumili niyan. Hindi na lang siya. And then, this. Minimix ko siya para mas mabango. But yeah, I like buying small perfumes kasi as you guys can see, medyo madami-dami tayong pabango. This one, I love. Ayan, meron tayong English Pear and Sweet Pea. Tapos meron din ako English Pear and Freesia. Ito is this one, I got the small one because I use it for traveling. Para mabilis. This one, sobrang bango, guys. This is the Giorgio Armani C. Tapos meron ditong regalo sa akin sa likod. Versace. Ito na lang. Pabugayin natin. Tapos, Burberry, ginagamit ko siya sa work kasi kailangan ko siyang maubos din. Kasi matagal na siya sa akin. So, I love mixing perfumes. Kasi wala lang. Diba? Ito, ninanako. May ganito yung tita ko dati. Tapos, ginagamit ko lang siya. Ginagamit ko siya. So yeah, and then my friend gave me this as a a birthday gift. So, ang cute lang. You're probably like, ha? Pupunta ka sa kitchen, tapos nagpapabango ka. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang mabango. Anyways, mawawala rin naman yan later. Kaya ang cute pa rin naman, di ba? Para, ano. Masyado naka-highlight yung eye bags ko. Well, it's not eye bags, but like, alam mo yun. Lumalaki siya, ha? Pag pang umaga kasi ako, pangit. Tingnan natin konti. Wala, kilamay ko din. Ganun din. Kitain na to. Para medyo shiny-shiny pa din siya. Kasi kailangan ko talaga ng... So, lately, I've been into, lip oil, ganyan. Not lip gloss. I don't know. I don't like lip gloss. I like lip oil way better. But yeah. Nagkaganyan lang ako. Para cute. Yan lang. Tama ka ba? Baba na ako, guys. It's 10:40, so yeah, kakain pa ako.